analyze the proper cantilever shown in figure by moment distribution method. Here the end A is fixed end and end C is free end. At B it is provided with a prop. A to B the length is 6 meter and moment of inertia is 2I. At C it is subjected to point load of 20 kilonewton. A to C it is subjected to a load of 25 kilonewton per running meter, and the moment of inertia of AB is 2I, and moment of inertia of BC, that is overhanged portion, that one is I with length 2 meter. The first step is, first you have to calculate the fixed end moment. The fixed end moment at A due to the UDL, that is MFAB, that one is minus 25 into 6 square by 12, that one is minus 75 kilonewton per running meter. Minus 75 kilonewton meter. Then MFBA, that is clockwise, that is WL square by 12, that one is 75 kilonewton meter. Convert the overhang B to C. It is subjected to a point load at the free end and is subjected to UDL of 25 kilonewton per meter. Then the resisting moment MBC, that one is actual moment is 20 into 2 plus 25 into 2 into 1, but the resisting moment is, that is anti-clockwise, therefore it is minus 90 kilonewton meter. That one is in anti-clockwise direction. Then calculate the distribution factor at joint B. At B, two members are connected, one is BA and another one is BC. Two members are connected at joint B, one is BA, one is BC. With respect to B, A is fixed or continuous, hence K equals I by L, that one is moment of inertia is 2I and length is 6 meter, that is I by 3. For BC, that is overhanged portion, there is no stiffness, that is K equals 0. Then summation of K, I by 3 plus 0, that is I by 3. The distribution factor for BA is 1 and distribution factor for BC is 0. Now we have to write the moment distribution table for this one. That is, here A and B are the two joints, member A to B, member joint A, member is AB, at joint B, members are BA and BC. Here the distribution factor 1 for BA and 0 for BC. Then the fixed end moment MFAB is minus 75, MFBA is plus 75, and the resisting moment MBC, that one is anti-clockwise, that is minus 90. Here at joint B, there is an unbalanced moment of minus 15, that we have to balance by adding plus 15 to make it 0. Here 75 plus 15, that is 90, minus 90, that is 0. Then here from B to A, there is a carryover. From B to A, 50% of the moment is carried over from B to A, that is half of 15, that one is 7.5 kilonewton meter. Then the final moments are minus AB, minus 75 plus 7.5, that is minus 67.5. For BA, 75 plus 15, that is 90. For BC, that is already calculated, that is minus 90. Here at joint B, the summation of the moments equals 0. One is plus 90, one is minus 90. Then if you want to draw the bending moment diagram, here this one is your given B, 67.5, that one is anti-clockwise, then that one is anti-clockwise. Here this one is the given B. Here this one is hogging and this one is sagging, 90, that is sagging, this one is hogging. Here to draw the bending moment diagram for this one at A, that is 67.5. 67.5. First draw the reference line or the datum line and then show the ordinate of the negative bending moment or hogging moment above the reference line. That one is 67.5. The ordinate is 67.5, and at support B, the ordinate is, that is both the moments are hogging moments, that is at B it is 90 kilonewton meter, that is also we have shown upward with respect to the reference line. Then joining this end and this end to get the support moment diagram. Here A to B, it is subjected to UDL. The maximum bending moment occurs at the center. That is, the maximum bending moment occurs at the center. That one is WL square by 8. That one is 25 into 6 square divided by 8. That one is 112.5 kilonewton meter. That occurs at the center of EB. Then from B to C, at the support the bending moment is 0. Here by overlapping both the moments, this one is curved, that is parabolic, since the bending moment variation is that is a curve, that is a parabolic or curve. Then the simply supported beam bending moment is curve like this. Then here in this portion, overhanged portion, that is due to the point load and due to UDL, that one is a curve like this. This one is curve. Here this is negative. Here from this point to this point, totally the bending moment is hogging. Here at the support hogging, here at the support hogging, then at the center that is sagging. Hence we can draw the elastic curve. This is the curve for the hogging sagging moment, and here this is hogging moment. Here it is hogging moment like this. Then these are the points of contraflexure. Here the bending moment changes its position from negative to positive or positive to negative. Here these are the 2 points of contraflexure. Here this portion is sagging bending moment. Here that support, that is hogging. Then to draw the shear force diagram, here first we have to calculate the support reactions, that is VA plus RB by equilibrium of the forces in vertical direction. That one is VA plus RB equals, here due to UDL 25 into 8 plus 20. Here VA and RB we have assumed upward and these two are downwards, then 220 kilonewton. Then summation of M A equals 0. Here by taking moments of all the forces about A equals 0. That equals, here RB into 6, that is anti-clockwise, then 20 into 8, that is anti-clockwise. This one is anti-clockwise, this one is clockwise. 20 into 8, that is 20 into 8 plus 25 into 8 square divided by 2. 25 into 8, which is acting at distance of 4 meter from either end. Then here there is a support moment, that is 67.5. Then by using this RB equals 148.75, by using the equation 1, VA equals 71.25. Here to draw the shear force ordinate, left upward is positive, that is VA is upward, that is 71.25. Here because of the UDL, the bend shear force varies gradually like this. 71.25 minus 25 into 6, that is 150. You will get 71.25 minus 150, that is 78.75. Then again there is a reaction at B, that is minus 78.75 plus 148.76, that is that equals 70 kilonewton. Again there is a UDL 70 minus 20 into the 25 into 2, that is 15, that is 75 minus 50, that one is 20 kilonewton. Here 20 minus 20, that is 0. Here this is the shear force diagram. Here there is a maximum bending moment. Here we have to calculate the point of this point. Here the bending moment is maximum.